Coming back to camp, having another beautiful day here. I think it's time to get inside. It was an early May trip to camp, and winter was giving us one last fight. My wife urged me to stay home only because she was dropping me off and picking me up later that evening. But it was the only day I had time to visit my camp. I knew the weather was going to be stormy, but I had no idea how bad it was going to be. The wind and sleet soon turned to blowing snow. I tried to get some outside work done, but it was safe, warm, and cozy in my shelter. The heavy tarp made a good barrier to keep the cold, howling wind away, while my wood stove crackled with a blazing hot fire inside. So I've just been going around looking for any hung up trees, trying to take them down, using the wind to my advantage. On my last trip I took this one down, really close to my shelter. So I'm going to take all these limbs off, use this for outside tinder, and then buck up the rest for firewood. Man, it's really getting nuts out here. Not too sure how much I'll get done outside today. Yeah, it just keeps getting worse out there. Nice day to stay inside and hunker down, sit by the wood stove, have a bite to eat. Who doesn't enjoy warmth and comfort while watching a raging snowstorm through a frosted window? Lunch was simple yet hearty and filling. The storm got worse by the hour, and I knew that eventually I had to trek back in this miserable weather to be picked up again. There's my shelter down there.